Good morning, grade 9s. Just want to give you a bit of a revision on the test, and what I'm first going to focus on is interior angles. Okay, so I want to make sure that you understand everything on interior angles. Okay, the first thing that I wrote down here, it's very easy, right? We know that the interior angles, and I actually had to say the sum here, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, 180 degrees. Very obvious. We learned that probably already in grade 7, right? Very easy. Now we go a step further. We say the interior angles of a quadrilateral. What does quad mean? That means 4 sides and 4 angles. Please note that the number of sides are also equal to the number of angles. Okay, so if we say the number of sides here is 4, you can also see that there are 4 angles. So what do we mean by saying this? The sum of the interior angles of any quadrilateral, okay, is 360 degrees. It means that angle there plus that angle plus that angle plus that angle. All of those angles added together, 360 degrees. Always non-negotiable. Okay, then we get to the next one. Now this one, we derived this equation on page 159. Let me just write here, page 159, so you can go back and have a look at that page in the textbook. So the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, okay, this is a nice rule because it's for any polygon. It applies to any polygon. Doesn't matter how many sides, doesn't matter if it's regular or not regular, it applies to any polygon. Okay, the sum of the interior angles, we can write it like this. For any polygon, 180 multiplied with n minus 2. What is the n? The n is the number of sides. Now this equation right here, you must please know by heart, guys. This is non-negotiable, okay? You need to know this. The sum of the interior angles for any polygon is 180 multiplied with, in brackets, n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. Make sure that you understand this fully, please. Now, if we know this last one, the sum of the interior angles of any polygon is 180 multiplied with n minus 2. What can we say about a regular polygon? Now, what does a regular polygon mean? It means, for example, you have a polygon, but all the interior angles are the same, right? That's what a regular polygon is. All the interior angles are the same. Now, if we know that the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, also including a regular polygon, is that, what can we say about each interior angle of a regular polygon? It must be this sum divided with the number of angles, right? And what did I say about the number of angles and the number of the sides? They are the same. Remember, here we have 4 sides for the quadrilateral. We also have 4 angles. Here we have 3 sides for the triangle. We also have 3 angles, right? Does that make sense, guys? Let me explain this again. I want you all to understand this. The sum of the interior angles of any polygon, including a regular polygon, is that. It's the sum of all the interior angles added together. Okay, is that. Now, if we have a regular polygon, what do we know about a regular polygon? We know that all the angles are the same, right? So to get the size of one interior angle, or each interior angle, because they will all be the same, we just take that sum of all the interior angles and we divide it with the number of angles, which is the same as saying the number of sides, because the numbers of sides and the number of angles are the same. So the formula is going to look like this: 180 multiplied with n minus 2, right? That is the sum of all the interior angles. But then to get the the size of one interior angle, we have to divide it with the number of angles, which is also the same as the number of sides. So we divide with n. This is also a very important formula for you guys to know for the test, please, guys. Thank you.